Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll be unboxing the solar lights that I just bought from Amazon a couple days ago. I think it was for like about $20-something. I think it's really cheap, and we're just gonna unbox it just to see what it comes with. Alright, so look what we have. So the brand is Home Zone Security. Solar triple head security light. Okay, so let's flip it. There we go. Better get that out of the way. And this is what we have. Okay, so let's look at this. First off, simple enough. It says what? Solar motion sensor security light, white. Package contents: 1 light fixture, 1 mount pack, and 1 manual. Made in China. Here is the specifications. Solar panel, LED, lumens 1500, color temperature 6000 K, detection range 0 to 48 feet, detection angle 180 degrees, delay time test 30, 60, and 120 seconds, cable length 14.5 feet, material ABS, built-in 2 times 3.7 volt. Lithium batteries. Oh wow, almost flipped it. Things almost. Alright, so let's open it. The packaging looks really good. So first off, you see like a barcode or QR code. Okay. Thank you for being our valued customers. If you have any issues with the products, please be sure to contact our customer service below. And this is warning. So this is what it's going to come with: the light fixture, the solar panel, a couple screws, and the plastic anchor. There's like total 8 of them. Here is the instruction on how to install it. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the installation today or tomorrow, but just stay tuned. And if I do, I'm going to be posting it pretty soon as well. Okay, so like I said, the packaging wise is really good. Here is the solar panel. This looks like what, maybe 6 by 5 or 6 by 5. Let's see, 14.5 in length. I'll put that down. Let's take out the light fixture itself. Put it there, and this is what we have. Ooh, wow. Oh, it's already looks nice. I mean, I bought it for like $20-something. Let's remove this plastic. This not plastic, cardboard. Okay, so this is the back of it. This is the back plate. I guess we're gonna screw. To install it, I think we're gonna put this against a flat surface. 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're just gonna put this down like that. Easy and simple. There we go. I'm gonna stay still. Back here is the 2 times 3.7 volt and a 1500 milliamp batteries right here, made in China. Everything, we're not even going to touch it. So on the bottom, there is, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but on the left hand side it says time, and then it has 120 second, 60 second, and 30 second, and then it has the button test. Right now it's on test right now. Sensitivity, it's at default to high, but I guess it depends on you, how you want to set it. And on the bottom, this is where it's going to go into. Okay, so it looks like it's going to be waterproof. I think it is. Look at this, is the power button. You can do the on and off. There we go. Ooh, wow. I can turn it on. So it's already charged. It's pretty bright. So I gotta wait until nighttime to do like a test on this one, but there we go. Turn it off. And as you can see here, you can turn it the other way to loosen, to adjust it up, down, however you want, and just tighten it. There we go. Same thing with the side over here.